Hi guys, if you guys got this error on your Corolla hybrid fielder, it's complaining about the cooling system of the hybrid battery. So let's have a look how to clean it and then, make a video on it.
Alright guys, so this is where the filter is for the Corolla Fielder. I think it's the same for the Fielder and the Axio. So we got one bolt here and one bolt clip here as well. So we need to take them off and then see if this one comes out. You might have to see anything under the seat. If not, then we can just pull it out. So once we pull it out, we will have a look at, we will inspect the filter, whether it needs replacement or whether we can clean it as it is. So let's get on with it and have a look. Alright, to open this, we have to press this button in the middle so that it becomes loose, and then we can take it out. Yeah, if you want to use screwdriver, that's fine. Just make sure you don't scratch all over. But if you want to just use the plastic pry tool, that'll also work. Let's see if it works. Yeah, it does. See how we can now pull it out. You can just pull it out like that, I think. Yes, we can. So that's how it is. So yeah, once you push it. So once you pull this out, make sure you put it to a default position so that it can go in, and then just take it out. So you press the button, pushes in. Now you take it out. Okay, now this one comes out like this. Okay, and then just slowly, that's it, comes out like that. Okay, so that's where the cooling system is. See how clogged it is? No wonder it's complaining. So let's take it out and see if we can fix it. Maybe we can take this out from here, like so, and then similarly from other side. There we go. That's all. So it has two grooves, one here and then one here. So once you take it out, you can see how clogged it is. It's supposed to be clear. Okay, now let's clean it up and then see what we can do. I'm just gonna use a brush first and then maybe a blower if needs to be. See how bad it is. See, now you can see this is like a metal sheet rather than a sheet full of gunk. So yeah, just clean it up and then we will put it back again. Alright, this is after we cleaned it. Just use this brush to clean it all up. Don't wet it, because if it's wet, it's gonna go inside the cooling system, which we don't want. And yeah, this is the gunk that came out of it. So let's put this one back again and then see what we can do with the error that keeps popping up on the system. I think we have to take out one of the fuses to reset the system, but we'll see how it goes. So this is the way it goes back in, the same way it came out. Looks so much better. Now let's put back the plastic covering and then the job's done. So a tip, when you put back the plastic clips again, just make sure they are out this much, and then when you push it in, it has to go all the way to the top. Okay, because this one becomes loose on the bottom ends. Okay, so yeah, just put this one back this way. Okay, see how this one goes in. Now we can just, you can see we can just now push it this much like this. It's all done. Similarly, the other one, it goes like this. So we will put this one back here. Like so, and then push it up to here. Done. Okay, I'm going to start the car without the cover on. See if this one still pops the error. Yep, no more error. I think the problem is solved. Awesome. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, let me know. But yeah, you don't need to replace any part, just clean it up. Thank you.